How to fix Samsung Galaxy overheating while charging. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung Galaxy phone gets hot while charging, it can damage the battery or slow performance. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix overheating and keep your phone safe. First step is to use original charger and cable. You always need to use Samsung certified charger and cable. Third-party or fast-charging adapters are not designed for your phone and they can easily overheat your battery. The second step is to remove your phone case while charging. While playing games, streaming videos, or running heavy apps while charging, it increases your temperature, so just let the phone rest until it's fully charged. You can check for background app uses. For that, go to Settings and find Battery. Then go ahead and tap on background usage. I'll just scroll down here and tap on background usage right over here. Once that is done, you can find all of the apps are uh, that are running in your background. Then you can close the apps that's consuming high resources, and background apps running while charging can cause the heat buildup as well. Then the next step is to check for software updates because if your software is not up to date, it might cause the overheating issues. Go to download and install, and then from here you need to install your latest updates. Once that is done, you can enable safe charging settings on your device. Some Samsung phones have protected battery or optimized charging under your settings menu. So find your battery settings again. I'll just go ahead and tap on battery, then tap on more battery settings if you have it. I'll just go over to charging settings and I'll turn on the fast charging here. But in your case, you should find the option to limit overheating. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.